Hi guys, today I will explain how to delete folders in Clipchamp. This process is too simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open, this one is the home page of my Clipchamp application, and before using it, you have to sign in your account in Clipchamp. Then, you can use it. Now time to delete the folders. For this, take a look on the left side of my computer screen. You will see multiple options, and from these, you can find the option of Add Folder. And here's my created folders, which I created in Clipchamp. Now in order to delete, I need to click on this one, and here's my folder. And I did not upload any video. So in order to delete, you can see 3 dots just next to name. Click on it. And here's the option of delete folder. Last thing is click on it. And here you have to enter the name, once you will into the folder name. Here you can see the option of delete folder. Just click on it. And as you can see, the folder has been deleted successfully. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.